sell, sell, sell. Market has tapped the highest level of a price range candle. So what do you do when you see the highest level of a price range candle has been tapped? Market usually sells immediately and it usually sells with high speed. Speed. So expect a high speed selling candle from my end right now. When market taps the highest level of a price 15-minute candle price range, the highest point is being tapped. Market usually sells with high speed. It doesn't take time. 4022.57. Dump. Ukisell tu inasell na hakuna kitu ingine inafanya. Hizi ni zile trades you do the flips. Market usually goes selling. Actually, if I want to do a flip, I usually use the candle price range. Juu hiyo nikienda market huwa inaenda immediately to the direction which I'm anticipating. Ikitap immediately, it should react. Mi sijui nangojea nini. Kuna movie nilikuwa nakuchika vizuri mwanadamu. Sasa nimeachilia wapi? As long as market has tapped the highest level of a 15-minute candle price range candle, hakunanga story mingi. Hakunanga story mingi. Actually, now I can put the phone then and sasa nianze kuwatch something. Nimeona watu wakini recommend Kim activated. The Kim, yeah. It got something to do with Kim. So I told you, when you are trying,
no one can explain what happened to us on April 7th, 2013.
Nini li happen? Hii movie inakataa. Let me first, acha ni pause kwanza tumalizane na nini. So this is the candle price range strategy. It's a 15-minute candle run. I think I saw someone. No, I won't say that. So what I need you to learn is already I have given that price level 4022 is already sent on my Telegram. I've already sent them. The question is someone is just trying to call me and you kata. I'll call you back later. I'll forget. Uh-huh. It's a damping candle. Damping. We are damping. We are damping, bro. We are damping. Wakipiga huyu ingine anapiga huyu. Aya, nichukue hiyo simu ingine tusikie anasema nini. Oya. Hii ingine inatumika, so talk responsibly. What do you want? Actually even Dan amesema anakuja kuvisit hapa sasa. Oh, so like unadai kukam ama? Mbona? Saa utanisha ukikam. Actually I'm trading. Nimeingia kwa sales zingine hapo ndio hadi na manage. Hiyo sell niko ndani buda. We cheki ukikam utaniambia. Leo mini down appreciate. Any mtu alikuwa kwa nini? Kwa life side ni asubuhi. Iko we nice ukae huko. Guys, is there kuna problem nikiclose your trade sasa? But remember, this is the big boss. I'm not rushing to get out. So wacha uone kwanza vile itatupatia rara ingine hapo wazimu. Yeah. We nice ukae vizuri. Nini shida yako? What's your problem? Niliwaambia within 15 minutes. Hizi ni zile trades you hear someone saying I made someone's salary within 15 minutes. They are this kind of trades now. Why I just enter, I don't waste time, it just dumps. Boom. So, the question is, can you track how I've done this? Nimefanya aje ndio ikaenda hivi? Why 4022.5? The question is why? How did I know? So that is the question which I see a lot of people which are coming for help to my DM. They be asking me, how did you know it did that? How did you know it did that? Sometimes I usually tell people maybe sometimes it's usually experience. Sometimes uh, sometimes I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. Ni good. Yeah. But basically I just want you to see how I enter the trades, my entries. That is what basically what I'm trying to do right now. Not to show how I can enter a trade without having a drawdown, how I'm a beast. No, that is not the point. I am here to show you it's possible to enter a trade and within 10 minutes you are out and you are out with good profits. Unless society start doing like stupid things like what is this doing currently. I should be just dumping. Tap that banking level. This time it should respect it. Itarudisha tu na hiyo banking line there. That's why I'm hata sishtuki. So I usually tell people, just begin. Don't focus on how I've entered and the trade has gone to my direction without any resistance. No. I have that is not the point. I'm not the best motivational person you will ever meet, but you motivate yourself. Because sometimes if the pain you're getting from the losses can't motivate you, then it's not I can't do that. Yeah. hmm I'm scared I'm gonna lose a trade. Remember, it's exactly it's around 430 for 40 move. Have been trading the 430 for 40 move for the last. Yesterday I traded. From all of this week, I've been trading the 430 for 40 move. It's either I'm entering 441 or I'm entering a bit earlier, like today. Yeah, where is it for that? That is here. Oh, they just. If you add position, that's the only position. That's the only area you're supposed to add more positions, because that 440 run, it's a dump. Yeah, I'm not even. I know it's a sell like today. I know it's a fucking damn sell. So scared of taking a trade. You 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 you, you can't you can't you can't you can't you can't you can't you're not part of the big boss. Though I me I'm not the kind of traders who wants to create communities. Me, I don't want that. Yeah, I don't want that trading community. Just join my telegram for signals and stuff. Not for signals really, but I just send important price levels. Like I have already sent them 4022. There, my entry. I just send them the where I'm looking at, where I'm going to enter. That's all I do. Because me, I'm not good with people. I'm not a good associator with people. Nah. If you need a trading community where everyone is committed, then just, I don't know, just find another one. You can learn from me, but have another trading community on your side. Because me, I don't know how to lead actually. So, and I don't want to be a leader of anything. I may just want to be me. Yeah. So if you are coming to trade with me, you are not coming to the big boss community. You are coming to trade with me. Yeah. So if you are interested in learning how the truth, knowing the truth, then don't like you should not like following masses. You know how many people are coming to my DM and they're trying to tell me, bro, build a community, and I'm not interested. Like, not like I'm not interested. It's just like I don't like leading. No, you just learn wherever like I'm random. Like if I come, I tell you this is what we are doing. This is what you are doing. I'm not expecting me to be a leader. No, I'm just guiding you. I give you the blueprint, everything you need, and after all that, you will be good. I see, like sometimes I just see people and I'm just like, okay, maybe we don't have the same brain work. You join a community, before you join it, you have created links, you have done all kind of shitty things. But it's okay, Nini. You can't purify the forex market. You can't. Yeah. And I have to show you how I enter trades before I even teach you. Yeah, well, you have never seen me enter showing you how I can trade, and just you're busy learning. Oh, show us entering with that order block and market reverses immediately. That is what I want to do. That is what we want. This is what we want. Especially me. The 444.30 run has happened, but it may form a downward kind of price range. So meaning we will be dumping. We're gonna be dumping for a while. Yeah, so I'm not panic. And please don't you should not allow yourself follow the masses. Have you seen how much money Kenyans have lost by just trading order blocks, market structure, those kind of shitty things? A lot, 7.4 billion, and that is actually even less from what traders have lost. And that's only the brokers which are regulated by the CMA. So, how many traders do you think they are trading what you're trading? If you know the 90% of traders are trading what you're trading and it's not working for them, then find something else. Start learning, start doing self-learning. Because when I'm following a lot of mentors, they usually say they did something we call self-learning. They taught themselves. They learned from a lot of mentors, and on their way up, they were like, fuck all those mentors. I have to study for myself. If they are not lying, that is the story they always give. I studied for myself. Everyone can see a fair value gap. Everyone can see an order block. But how comes people have lost 7.4 billion? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just try to think. Think with your brain. Mm. The aura. Mm. Now guess my risk reward ratio now. If I get out of there, that level, because if market was to break that position 4022, I could have closed the positions. So what is my risk reward ratio? That's my question. What is my risk reward ratio? One is to how much? Crazy. So just work on how your risk reward ratio. You need to work on that. This is the big boss, man. You don't play with me. You don't play with me. Because when I say something is going to happen, it usually happens. You don't play with damn me. Now, talk responsibly. Now, what are you doing? Boom. Who else is distracting me? Terminator. Timonator. Ananisho. Ananisho. Unajua mimi ni nani? So, should I just close the trade and post? Am I fine? Niwapostie. And the one thing I need you guys to be doing is don't focus on my. I want you to be focusing on on the price level which I have entered. That is what I want you to learn. Do self-learning. You will start unlocking some inner powers inside you. I'm just chilling here and I'm waiting for 5 p.m. Good. Na leo nimekuwa na siku mbaya actually. Hai? Wana advise watu na unarudi, wacha ufala. Sasa hii kelele yote ni ya 5 pm. Kweli itaform hiyo 5 pm candle itaform the loss. Bana. Imekuwa denied by that stupid candle. Yeah. Actually they may do that. They might do that. Juu already sini. So wakitoa hii watakuwa wametoa down. And 5 pm iko on how many minutes? 11 minutes. So 11 minutes itatoa hii low kweli. Unless watumie big candles. Then 5 pm after your candle ime. By the way tunaweza experience a buy in 5 pm. By the way wakitoa hiyo low pale by 5 pm. Itakuwa buy. Bana. Jaba. Sasa 5 pm direction ya 5 pm hii. Sasa pale isa from candle price range. So 5 pm itakuwa continuation ya candle price range. Kama watatoa 4010 tunda. By the way wanaweza wameamua hivyo. Juu ya candle ni kubwa hiyo yenye dump hapa. Bana. Sasa ningoja 5 pm and then I think juu isha beat your candle price range. Actually they are lining 5 pm first 1 minute candle and we form the lowest point of the day. But sasa uko na 9 minutes. They have 9 minutes to do that. 5 pm candle alignment. Actually that's what happening. It's happening. Hata umeifanya na 2 minutes. Hata sikuwa na expect. Uongo. Acha tuipatie 9 minutes to go and then tutajua. Tukiona hiyo alignment then I'll take a reverse trade for the next 24 hours. Yeah. Actually it might be the one. The 24-hour cycle reversal. Yeah. Wakidump the next 4 candles. By the way watakuwa wameactivate the 24-hour reversal cycle ya 5 pm. Ndio. Washaanza kuiactivate actually. Juu sahii tuko the lowest level and market is still dumping. Ndio. So that means kama wata keep that pace for the next 8 minutes, we might have a sell in 5 pm. Thank God. So I might enter into a 24-hour cycle trade from now. But sasa wakiconsolidate the next 3 candles. Like acha tuone kama wata align candles. Wakishazi align because hiyo nini imetoka late 40:53. 7 minutes. Si umeidump mapema. Wangengoja wadump 7 like 5:57. I love the highest level pale waliform saa ngapi? Buniangalia. Juu wanaweza ifanya kama liquidity hunt. Na wakosa kwa line ya candle ya 5 pm. 10:37. So 10:39. So 10:40. So today the highest level imeformiwa 10:40 am. Actually I was on that trade. Actually nilikuwa YouTube live I think. Na market imedambu vizuri. Sasa shida hawataki kwa line ya candle ya 5 pm. Sasa hizo ma retracement za nini sell? The next candle ikisell good. The last 4 p.m. candle ikisell, then we might experience a reversal by 5 p.m. Walai. Hebu tuone. This is crazy actually. This is what I love doing. Hey. Baadhi washaanza kucheza vizuri, acha tu ningoje 5 p.m. candle alignment. Sasa nilale ama nifanye. Nasikia nimechoka, yani nimekuwa outside the house kutoka saa 6 mpaka kitu saa 9 ndio nimerudi kwa nyumba na nimefanya kazi hadi nimechoka. I'm tired. I need to rest mpaka niamke hapo around 6. So guys, lakini mimi what I'm wishing you guys is mwanze kulearn, you just start learning the market the right way. If market is driven by data, why are you using order blocks? Why are you using SMC? That is what I call the understanding the candle language. You need to see other strategies with your mere eyes, even if you're not trading them. You're not, but you are aware of them. When an ICT trader is taking a trade, you should be aware of that. When an SMC is taking a trade, you should just be aware of that. And now you start waking up to new dimensions of trading, opening your mind to more, to more, to more, to more. Actually, I prefer watu wakitumia order flow than vitu zingine. Tumia order flow ama footprint chart. Yeah, anything which can show you up until the amount of traders and mwende kwa Fastball. There is a site called Fastball. Hiyo inakuanga na order book. Learn how to use that order book. Learn ni wapi orders mingi ziko. Kama orders mingi ziko hapa, then do what? Start calculating how to get your level iko na a lot of orders. That is what I want you to be doing. Si kukaa hapo tu idly and you're scared. Unaona? After nimeenta hiyo trade, now acha nikuonyeshe kitu. Ikatapo wapi? Hapa I have entered this trade here. Ika break out this level. Ika retest 4017 because we call this the maximum selling point of the day. Na after it was broken, market inaendanga to kitu inaitwa candle price range. Ikaiform, and then the highest level of that candle price range ilikuwa 4022. This one was just a manipulation, and this was a manipulation to where value gap. So I can see that's ICT trader on this trade. Kama hujateka a trade from that value gap, you are not a qualified ICT trader. You see, na hivyo ndio, na hivyo this way, tab retest and keep going down. I usually forget to put it here. Can we reach here? Na mimi sijui, like I don't know how to add a Telegram link on my YouTube. Na guys wengi don't even care. but I will try to find a way. Niweke. Three, nine, one. Just do that. Wenye wanataka coaching, that's the number. And please, kama we ni mtu wa kukuja kunirush, don't come to me. Yeah, anataka mtu ametulia. Come patiently. Time. So it's 5 p.m. These motherfuckers hawajaline candles. Hawajaline. So wamefail kwa line. Now the first 1 minute candle of 5 p.m. So see you on the other side. Bye. Hawajaline 5 p.m. So might see a reversal. See you later.